In this tutorial, you will learn about the setup and operation of Z-Row. Z-Row delivers integrated row guidance on the combine, keeping you locked on the row with no extra systems, screens, or distractions, just confident, efficient harvest. There are 4 things you need to use Z-Row: an in-command go display, steer command Z2 or steady steer with a GPS receiver, a row guidance interface module, and a compatible corn head sensor. While using harvest configurations you've already made, load to the Run screen. When a row guidance interface module is detected, the row guidance button will be in the bottom right corner. If it is green, it is engaged. If it is red, it is not engaged. You may also go to the guidance tile and tap on the wrench to open the guidance options window. On the row guidance tab, there will be a toggle to enable Z-Row as well. After toggling Z-Row on, select your sensor type from the dropdown on the right. With your sensor in the resting position, tap the Calibrate Sensor button to calibrate your sensor. No additional calibrations are needed. There is an option to set an offset if needed, as well as on-line response to adjust the aggressiveness when using row guidance. Now that Z-Row is engaged, steering can be engaged by tapping on the steering button in the bottom right corner and driving into the corn. No need to have a guidance line loaded. However, you can have one loaded to be able to go through non-planted areas, such as waterways where there is no standing crop but still want steering engaged, or to guide you back out of a pass before the end. Now you know about the setup and operation of Z-Row. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.